Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change iPhone autocorrect or text replacement. So, whether you turn off auto correction or you want to use text replacement on your phone, you can easily customize or change your slang to a particular text on your iPhone using the text replacement. So basically here, I'm going to walk you through how to change iPhone autocorrect or set a text replacement on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do here to change your iPhone autocorrect is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down and click on general. Under general, scroll down and then click on keyboard. Now once you selected keyboard, turn on auto correction. Now to change your iPhone autocorrect or text replacement, go ahead and click on text replacement. Now click on the plus button at top right to set your words. You can see phrase and then shortcut. So here, let's say you want to type oh my god, then all you just need to do, instead of typing oh my god on your keyboard, is use the shortcut OMG. Then click on save. Now you can repeat this on all other phrases you do use on your iPhone while typing, like love. Then come here, set emoji for that, click on save. Then maybe you want to set, okay, like good morning, and then instead of you to type good morning, you just want to type GM. Now when either of these words are used on your iPhone will not use autocorrect to correct the word. So let's go ahead and try this. Go ahead and open any messages app, go to chat page and then type in GM. You see that? Then it's going to pop up the phrase GM is good morning. You see that? Then if you want to type oh my god, then the text replacement will pop oh my god and then you're good to go. So that's exactly how to change iPhone autocorrect or text replacement. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.